Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Ed Hall, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Wednesday, the 18th of February 2026. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. Security researchers discovered a firmware-level Android backdoor called Keenadu pre-installed on thousands of tablets distributed in countries including Russia, Japan, Germany, and Brazil. Unlike typical malware, it is embedded deep within the device firmware, allowing it to survive factory resets and maintain persistent access. The backdoor is primarily used for ad fraud and traffic manipulation, and investigators believe it was introduced through a compromised supply chain before devices reach consumers. Amwill Healthcare disclosed a cybersecurity incident involving unauthorized access to account-related data. The company stated that core compliance and operational systems were not impacted, but an investigation is ongoing with external cybersecurity experts. While the full scope of the breach has not been revealed, the incident could result in regulatory scrutiny, reputational damage, and financial consequences. Palo Alto Networks announced plans to acquire Koi Security to strengthen its ability to secure AI-driven and automated enterprise environments. Koi specializes in protecting AI agents and scripts that operate with elevated privileges, addressing emerging security risks tied to enterprise AI adoption. The acquisition aligns with Palo Alto's broader strategy to expand AI-focused security capabilities. Users of MetaMask are being targeted in a phishing campaign involving fake security report PDF attachments designed to create urgency. The emails attempt to trick recipients into visiting malicious websites and entering wallet credentials. Although technically simple, the campaign leverages social engineering tactics to exploit users' fear of unauthorized account activity. A new report from Picus Security highlights a shift away from high-profile ransomware attacks toward stealthier identity-driven intrusions. Attackers are increasingly focusing on credential theft, privilege escalation, and maintaining long-term persistence inside compromised networks. The findings emphasize the need for stronger identity protection and improved detection of low-noise threats. Sensitive personal documents belonging to global executives and political figures were exposed due to a misconfigured cloud storage server linked to Abu Dhabi Finance Week. The data, which included passports and identification documents, was reportedly accessible through a third-party vendor's storage environment before being secured. The incident underscores ongoing risks associated with poor cloud configuration and third-party data handling practices. Researchers uncovered high-severity vulnerabilities in 4 widely used extensions for Visual Studio Code, with more than 125 million combined installs. The flaws could allow attackers to execute arbitrary code or access sensitive local files when developers opened specially crafted content. While some vulnerabilities have been patched, others remain unresolved, raising security concerns for developers. A legacy Windows Video ActiveX control vulnerability is now being actively exploited, prompting the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency to add it to its known exploited vulnerabilities catalog. The flaw can enable remote code execution if users interact with malicious web content, particularly on older or unpatched systems. Federal agencies have been directed to remediate or mitigate affected systems to reduce exposure. Thank you for listening. I'm Ed Hall. We appreciate your time and listening. I'm excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares. Stay informed and secure in the digital world.